Hi students. Now the second numerical problem. Usha swims in a 90-meter long swimming pool. She covers 180 meter in 1 minute by swimming from one end to the other and back along the same straight line path. Find the average speed and average velocity of Usha. So it's a very simple numerical problem. So the shape of the swimming pool is assumed to be rectangular. So she swims 90 meter long. 90 meter is the length of the swimming pool. So let us take A is the starting point. Okay, she starts at A and she reaches B. The distance traveled is how much? 90 meter. Okay, and she is returning back to the initial point itself. That means she is coming from B to A another 90 meter. So she is coming back in this direction. So she is coming to A itself. So the finish point also is what? A. So the length of the swimming pool is 90 meter. She goes from A to B and comes back along the same straight line but in opposite direction. Understand that? And for this, how much time she has consumed is 1 minute. First, how much distance she has traveled. So distance traveled is equal to 90 meter from A to B. Okay, 90 meter from A to B and from B to A another 90 meter. So onward journey is from A to B, return journey is from B to A. Since distance is a scalar quantity, scalar has only magnitude but no direction. Therefore, distance traveled is always positive. So 90 meter plus 90 meter is equal to how much? 180 meter. Okay, children? Yes, now what is the displacement? The displacement, for displacement, how you have to find out? It is 90 meter from A to B and it is plus minus 90 meter. This minus 90 meter is the displacement from B to A. Why I am using a minus sign? It is because displacement is a vector quantity, is it not? With respect to the initial point A, initially up to B you are traveling in the forward direction. But next from B you are coming towards A in the opposite direction. Therefore, a negative sign. So that 90 meter plus minus 90 meter is equal to 0. Have you understood this concept? Distance traveled will be always positive. It has only magnitude and no direction. Whereas displacement may be positive or negative or even 0. We have studied in the class, is it not? In this case, since the initial point and the final point, finishing point is also one and the same, the displacement is equal to how much? 0. So starting point is A and finishing point is also A, means displacement must be 0. Okay. Now you tell me what is the time taken by Usha. So time taken is equal to 1 minute. So this is 1 minute. So that this is equal to 60 seconds. 60 seconds. So what is asked here? Find the average speed and average velocity of Usha. So average speed I will find out. First, average speed is equal to total distance. Okay, total distance traveled divided by the total time taken. Total distance divided by the total time. So that this is now equal to total distance traveled is how much? Distance traveled is 180 meter. So this is equal to 180 meter divided by total time is how much? The time taken is 60 seconds. So this is 60 seconds. So this is after cancelling the zeros, 18 by 6 is equal to 3. So this is equal to 3. Therefore, average speed average speed of Usha is equal to 3 meters per second. Okay, so we have highlighted the answer, 3 meters per second. Okay, now average velocity, we will find out average velocity. So this is equal to total displacement by total time. What is the total displacement divided by the total time taken? Already we have found the total displacement is equal to 0. Is it that numerator is 0? Therefore, that average velocity is also equal to 0. Therefore, average velocity, okay, is now equal to 0 meter per second. Very simple it is. So my dear students, you have to keep it in mind that whenever you want to find the total distance, measure the length of the actual path travelled by the body. Whereas for finding the displacement, you ask a question to yourself, which is the starting point, which is the ending point. And you join these 2 points, you will get the shortest distance between the initial and final points, so that you will get the total displacement. From that you can find out the average velocity. I hope you must have understood this problem well. Fine.